This is insane technology. It can do everything, guys. It can literally do everything. Hey, welcome to day 7 of Accentify. Well, day 7.5. I didn't make a video yesterday, but I've been spending the last 2 days developing my digital team of AI agents. So I have Soren, my main agent on OpenClaw, who is my chief of staff now. Then I also have Ari, who's my chief revenue officer and managing everything in terms of driving Accentify forward towards our revenue goals. I also have Naya, our data analyst and monetization expert, who's looking at all of our data from revenue care, from Stripe, our Google Analytics data, our in-app analytics, everything, and figuring out where the weak points are, where the pain points are for the users, where churn is happening, and everything like that. I also have Milo, my marketing executive, right now focused primarily on TikTok and creating TikTok content for Accentify. He's going to expand out beyond that soon. And then I have Rook, who is my QA ops, and he just manages all of the things which are going wrong with the automation, with the agents, and reports back to me. Now, in this video, I'm going to be referencing a Twitter article I've written, so that'll be linked down below as well, and then you can read through that. But this video is going to be going over how I actually set up my agents on my Discord server and am communicating with them from wherever I want in the world, and how you can also do the same. If you're not using OpenClaw right now in your business, you are missing out on a massive, massive piece of technology which has completely changed the world. And the sooner you bring it in, the sooner your business is going to grow to wherever you want. So watch this video and then you can set up your own multi-agent system in a Discord server and communicate with them however and whenever and wherever you want. Let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to go down here to the settings icon, click on the settings gear icon, scroll all the way down to advanced, and then this developer mode icon or toggle will be switched off. You want to toggle it on, and then you're done. Sorted. That's how you turn on developer mode. Okay, so now you want to go to discord.com/developers/application. I've given you the link in the article. And then here at the top right, you want to click on new application. Now it says create a new app, but what you're really doing is you're creating a bot, which is the same as the sub agent that you've made in your OpenClaw. Okay. Do one at a time. Otherwise, OpenClaw is likely to break. Trust me, I have been there. Okay. So let's pretend one of my agents are called, I don't know, Steven Gerard. All right. That's the name of my sub agent. Click on the tick box, click on create, confirm you're a human. Cool. Now you're here. So this is all good. You don't need to do anything here. This is perfect. Just leave it as it is. Installation, you can leave this as it is as well. Now you want to go to bot. Now here's some key things. Make sure the username is a username you want to be represented on your Discord. You can always come back here and change it, so don't worry about it too much. Then here, you want to click on server member intent, and you want to click on message content intent, both of these. Presence intent, you don't need to worry about it. Now, if you do not click on these, your OpenClaw will break. Trust me again, I've done it, and it'll just keep on trying to start, and it'll keep on failing because it'll be trying to call the Discord bot, and it just won't be working. So, luckily when that happened to me, GPT did save me, and I figured it out. Click on these two things, toggle them on. Now, scroll down. This is all fine. You don't need to worry about this. You see the big green button at the bottom? Click on Save Changes, okay? You need to click on Save Changes, otherwise you're going to be in for a world of trouble. Go back to the left-hand side and go to OAuth 2. Great. Here, follow this exactly as I'm showing you. Click on Bot, click on Applications Commands, okay? These are the only two things here you need to click on. Scroll down, bot permissions. You want to click on view channels. Then tick these exactly. Now, if you aren't watching this video or have trouble keeping up with this, I have got screenshots at the bottom of the article as well. Okay. There we go. You want to do this. Some people, if you ask your OpenClaw what permission should it give you, it goes with very, very basic permissions. But I'm kind of interested to see what the bots do over time and as they evolve. Okay. There's one more thing you need to click on. That is use embedded activities. Okay, there you go. Have a look at that. Again, the screenshot is in the article. We're all done here. Do not leave this page yet. Click on this icon here. This is going to give you the URL. All right. Go to a new page. Enter. Click it. It will ask you if you want to add your bot to your server. Click continue, click authorize, and your bot will be in your server. I'm going to confirm I'm human. And Steven Gerrard is in the group chat. Fantastic. I've always wanted to have Liverpool's captain, probably the greatest midfielder of all time. Okay, so now we want to go to Discord and create some channels. So when you create a channel by default, it is a public channel. And as you can see here, I have a test channel here and all of my bots are inside of it. This is not what you want because at the moment, doing a kind of group chat does not really work. I'll show you what happens. We have a group chat here. I say, hi, everyone. What's it like being here? Everybody just talks at the same time. You can't really talk to one person at once. If I try and message here saying, hi, Rook, Rook is my QA ops. How are things going? Watch this. Every single person is going to reply. So Nia's replying. Several people are replying. It doesn't really work at the moment. Okay. So Warren's replied. Ari's replied. Milo's replied. It's not really working. So what you want to do, there is a roundabout way to creating a public channel and then binding things. Forget about that. This is much, much easier. Okay. So click on the gear icon, go to permissions, and just click on private channel. It's going to kick everybody, and I'll show you. Save changes at the bottom. Now, there's nobody in this channel except from me. Now what I want to do is I want to click on the gear icon again, go to permissions, and then add members. And I want to add my new bot or my sub-agent as a role rather than a member. This is actually something that was recommended to me by my OpenClaw, Soren, and I asked it why, and it said that there will be less things that go wrong with having it as a role. If there's any Discord experts out there, do let me know. But I trust Soren, so I did what she said, or did what he said. He actually said he's a male to me yesterday, so that's a discovery he's made. So I'm going to add Steven Gerrard here. And Gerrard is now here. But now if I message saying hi, obviously it's unlinked. And in the right-hand side, you can see it's offline. So that's what we're going to link up first. But just to add to this, you want to have a direct line to your agent. So I'm going to move this over here for now. And if you don't know how to make this, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so think about it. When you're messaging a friend in real life, you're messaging their real name, not like a update group chat or usage or social insights. And that's how you want to treat your agents as well. So we're going to create a direct channel to our agent. So I didn't know how to do this before. I wasn't a big fan of Discord, to be honest. I used WhatsApp, right? And I tried using WhatsApp with my OpenClaw, and it just was completely messy. So I wanted to replicate a real-life comms channel with my agent. So that's what we'll do. We want to create these groups, okay? So click on your server name, and then click on Create Category, and then call it whatever you want. In my opinion, call it something about your agent. So like agent comms, or for me, I've just called it agents there. So all my agents are listed there. Call it whatever you want. So I'm going to call this test channel agent comms. You do not need to make a private category for this. Click on create category, and there we have it at the bottom. So we're going to move this test channel just over here. I'm going to clean this up, just close the channels for now, just for this video. And let's rename it to what the name of the agent is, as you would when you're messaging somebody in real life. So we're going to call it Steven Gerrard. And there we have it. Now, again, if I message here, nothing will happen. So well done on scoring the first goal at Istanbul. Will he say thank you? No, because he's still offline. Okay, so we need to now link him to our actual sub-agent that we've made in OpenClaw. That's the key thing here. Let's get onto that. All right, we are nearly done. We just have to link our bot to our sub-agent. Really simple process, actually. So let's go back to discord.com/developers/applications, and you should have your bot right here. So Stevie G, Captain Fantastic, is over here. So I want to click his name. And then what I want to do is I want to go to bot, okay? This same page. Leave everything else that we did. Do not touch anything, okay? Go back up and click on reset token. Click on yes, do it. Then put your password in. To be honest, I don't know why I just paused the recording there. Nobody can see what I'm typing. But anyway, let's submit that. And it will give you a token right here. Now, this token is really, really important because if this token gets lost or is unlinked properly, it's going to cause some real issues. So copy this token. And what we're going to do is we're going to save it on a notepad file where your OpenClaw can find it. Now, there are other ways to do this as well. For example, you can copy and paste it into the OpenClaw chat. Highly not recommended, okay? There's serious security concerns with that. Do not do that. In fact, try it. If you try doing that, what will happen is your OpenClaw will understand that you've done a serious security error and will not accept your token and will say to you that you need to reset the token, okay? So anyway, copy this token if you want to do it properly and you don't want to get any kind of prompt injections in the future. And then go to your notepad. Actually, when you do, go to a folder. And let me open this up here. Now you can see all my tokens are in here, in these folders. I want to click on a new text document and I'm going to call it, let's just call it Stephen for now. Open this up and just paste in your secret key and then save it. Okay, done. Now you can close that. Right click this, or if you're on a Mac or Windows 10, Windows Vista, XP, whatever you're on, I don't care. Find out how you want to copy the path name. Okay, so copy as path. So this is going to get the link to the file, and then you're going to give it to OpenClaw. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, guys, this is the final step. So in OpenClaw, mine is called Soren. I hope you've named it by this point. You want to tell it to link your sub-agent that you've created, Steve and Gerard in my case, to your Discord bot. Now, I actually haven't created my sub-agent for this, so I'm just going to tell it to do it now. And if you haven't done it either, this is a great opportunity to see exactly how you do it. So you don't need to write that you're recording tutorial. You just say to Soren, can we make a new sub-agent, please, called Stephen Gerard? And then you can give it all the specifications. It is a marketing exec, which will get us loads of views on TikTok. Yeah, and then you click on send. But for now, I'm just going to give it the instruction that I told it, and I'm going to click send. So let it do its thing, and I will show you what happens in the background here. It won't take too long. So what Soren is doing now is just getting all the files together, making all the packages, and is going to put a new agent in this agent left-hand panel that you can see over here. And when that sub-agent is done, then we're going to give it the path link that we just copied earlier and tell it to link that sub-agent to that Discord bot. And then it's going to be all created and all finished. Now I'll just show you the Discord again. So let's go to my Accentify HQ, Stephen Gerard. So Stephen Gerard is still offline. You're going to notice that Gerard comes online when we give the key to the agent, give the key to OpenClaw. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and come back when Soren is done. I'm not joking. Literally, as soon as I clicked on pause, Soren completed the task. So here we are. He's created the agent, Stephen Gerard, and you can go to agents here and you can actually see what the agent is that Soren has created. And you can also see the model. You can go and see the skills, identity, soul. This is all on step 1 of the article. If you haven't seen it yet, go back and read that, of course. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give it the secret key. Right. So back in this, I'm going to say to Soren, this is the secret key location for my Discord bot. Please link them right? I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to get Discord up here as well. I don't know how I'm going to do this. So you know what? I'm going to make myself smaller, and you're going to see Gerard come online. It is incredible. So send. Let's go Discord here and put this over here. So Soren is working its magic in the background. Let's see. Ooh. Don't want to miss the fun. Oh no! I'm just trying to make the window slightly smaller. All right. Cool. There we go. Gerard has come online. We just saw that happen right in front of our eyes. This is insane technology. It can do everything, guys. It can literally do everything. So I can already say to Steve and Gerard, I can send him a message while my OpenClaw is working in the background. They're just linking things up and making sure everything is working properly. In reality, with my OpenClaw, it's linking all of my sub-agents to my local AI model, Olama, which is not working too well at the moment. So this is an entire story for another time. But look at this. Hi, Stevie. How's it going? So hopefully Gerard's going to give me a reply. So Steven Gerrard is typing at the moment. Crazy. The greatest midfielder of all time is DMing me. It's insane. Now, there we go. He sent me a message. All good on my end. Locked in and ready. What are we attacking next? Guys, we've just set up a Discord bot and we've linked it to our sub-agent. And we can talk to our sub-agents now via Discord. This is mind-blowing, right? Now, if you want to take this a step further, and you want to have channels like this, like a usage channel, a social insights channel, morning brief, and so many other things. I haven't even created half of what I want to do at the moment. So you can do things like you can right click here, click on copy channel ID, go to your OpenClaw and say to it that I want my specific agent. For instance, I have Milo here, who is my marketing executive, and I want Milo to send me X, Y, and Z brief on marketing at this time in this Discord channel, and then give the Discord channel ID to your OpenClaw, and it will then set everything up in the background. But this gets complicated, and you know what? I might make an entire article and video series on this another time. If you want to see it, let me know. But for now, what you've just done is you've set up your entire workforce, your sub-agents, and you've linked them to your Discord. And now you can talk to them whenever you want, from wherever you are. What a time to be alive, guys. This is just mind-blowing. So well done on creating it. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop me a message. You can DM me or you can comment below and I will get back to you and help you out. So well done.